Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you have had an amazing holiday season, Christmas, whatever it is that you celebrate. I thought I would share with you what I got for Christmas and the few bits I picked up around the Christmas sales, Boxing Day sales. So I picked up a couple of bits for myself as well, and just share with you the gifts I got over the Christmas season from my friends and family, so you can all have a little nosy in there. So let's get started. So the first thing I got from my sister is this Blender's Delight set, and I put this in my Christmas gift guide this year. Every year I ask for a beauty blender set because it's one of the things that I cannot live without, both the blenders and the solid cleanser, the bar cleanser. Both of those things are absolute, cannot live without items for me. How do you get in here? Can you see I haven't even been in here yet? It's got tape on. It's got tape on, guys. You'll have to bear with. But yeah, it's both of those things are absolute staples. I have repurchased both of them 1 million times. Why are you trying to mug me off like this? Why are you doing this to me? It's Christmas. Oh, we're in. We are in. So this set has two beauty blenders and two mini solid blender cleansers, mouthful, and this little pouch for putting your beauty blenders in for travel, which is amazing because I just usually shove my sponge in and it just feels so gross, it just being, you know, at large in my makeup bag. So yeah, look how little they are when they're dry. It's so funny, compared to the sponge I used this morning. But this is the perfect set because sometimes they have stuff in there that you don't want. Sometimes they've got the designer liner or the blotting thing, whatever that is, or just other bits in there that you wouldn't necessarily want. Whereas everything in here was the perfect set for me because I'll use it all. I needed it all, and it was just, yeah, perfect little present from my sister. So that was absolutely a winner. And then I got a new Dior Backstage foundation from my mama. I asked for this months ago because I knew that mine was running out, and this is my summer shade. It's the foundation I've got on now. This is the shade 2WO. In the summer I use 4W, and that has completely gone now. I've only just stopped using it really. I've been mixing in a little bit lately. I have gone through that whole foundation. I'm obsessed with it. It's probably my all-time favorite foundation, and now I have my winter shade. Yay! My mum also gave me this coaster which says I'm a mum. What's your superpower? This is definitely going to go in my background once I change it back up after my Charlotte Tilbury's gone away for the Christmas period is over. Speaking of Charlotte Tilbury, I picked up her Light Wonder foundation. I really wanted to get my hands on this for so long, months and months, maybe even a year since I first tried. I ordered something from Charlotte Tilbury website and got a sample of this and really enjoyed it. But you know when you get a sample and you haven't had enough, I think her samples of the foundations only give you maybe 1 or 2 uses. So I wasn't fully committed that I wanted the full size, and it was quite similar in finish and coverage to the Clinique Even Better Glow that I've got. So I was going to use that one up before I purchased the full size of this one. But I've been using this every day since I got it, and it is just perfect. For every day, whack it on. You don't need concealer because it's a really light natural coverage. You don't feel if you put a full coverage foundation and you've kind of got to then go in with concealer, you've got to go in with bronzer to balance everything out, otherwise you just look like a sheet. Whereas this one, I can literally, for a no makeup day or a quick day or a panic day, a rush day, most days, I can just whack this on all over and put a bit of bronzer and I'm good to go. It's flawless, it's smooth, it's really glowy, and for a light coverage foundation, it fully covers my redness, which is very unusual for me. So this is also in the shade 6, by the way, if you're wondering. Next up, my mum got me this blush, and it's the blush that I'm wearing today, and this is the shade Sweet as Cocoa, and I had a little accident. If you think that these pan blushes can go into the little box that they come in the wrong way around, you'd be mistaken. So yeah, that's what's happened here. Got a little gouge in it. This is a blush I've had my eye on for forever. It's like a sort of coppery bronzy type of blush, and what I love about it is just the finish is really glowy but not glittery, and you know that is like what's going to be on my headstone when the time comes, is glowy, not glittery, and it is just the perfect sort of Christmassy, wintry shade, warms up the cheek area, gives you a bit of glow, gives you a bit of blush. By the way, if I look really bonkers today, I've got these splodges all over my face because I used the MAC Fix Plus with the, you know, the strobe light in, and I think because it's getting to the end of the bottle, even though I shook it really well, it's literally just covered me in splodges of glitter. I mean, at least it's the festive season, I guess. I then got 2 of the MAC Powder Kiss lipsticks, one from my husband and one from my mum, and this is the shade Mandarin O, which is like going to be the perfect summer shade. Can't wait to be rocking this every day in the spring and summer. And then the other shade is Mullet Over. I think this is the one my mum got me actually, and my husband got me Mandarin O, and this is more of a everyday nude shade, a bit of a sort of darker peachy nude basically. So yeah, 2 of those, one of my favourite formulas of lipsticks. I was very happy with those. And then something I picked up myself was the MAC He Said She Said Pro Long Wear lip liner, which is what I've got on today along with MAC's Russian Red. I really wanted a lip liner that was a really dark, deep sort of burgundy red, which is exactly what this is. I've got lots of red lipsticks that are a little too bright, a little too light for me, and I like this sort of deeper red on me. And so this was absolutely perfect. When I saw a swatch of this, I was like, that is the lip liner I need to sort of balance those lipsticks that I feel are a little too bright, a little too light for me personally. And it is absolutely perfect, like the deepest sort of reddish browny shade. So it was exactly what I was looking for those. I also got an ASOS gift card, always a winner. I haven't spent it yet, and it's like, what is it, the 28th or 29th? It is the 28th today, and I haven't spent it yet. Are you proud? Reason being that I get really possessive once I've got like loads of gift cards or loads of points saved up on my Boots card or something. I can't spend it. I'm like waiting for like the ultimate thing to like arrive on the website. I'm gonna be like, yes, you are worthy of my gift card. I've got loads in my like saved items, and I'm like, no, it's not good enough. It's not good enough for my gift card. I'm gonna wait to see what comes up next. I got quite a lot of skincare stuff this year, and I think that's because it's the sort of stuff that I don't love spending my money on skincare. It hurts me a little bit. I love buying makeup, but skincare, although I need it and I like to use it, and it's important to me, I don't like spending my hard-earned money on it. I'd much rather buy an eyeshadow palette or a foundation, just being real with you. So again, perfect stuff for my Christmas list. So my husband got me the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, which I'm really excited to try. I've heard great things about this. I haven't yet touched this, put it on my face at all yet, because I've been so obsessed with using the Toucher Silk Canvas Primer that Mel got me for Christmas. So yeah, I'm like struggling to put anything else on my face at the moment. I think what I'm gonna do is kind of a bit of an experiment where I'm gonna put this on all over my face first, and then the Toucher maybe in the center of my face, and see, they'll probably be the ultimate dream combo in my mind. I also picked this one up myself. This is the Nippon Fab Glycolic Fix Serum. I have been loving this. I only use this in the nighttime because it's a glycolic, obviously it's a glycolic exfoliating serum. And yeah, I love it. It's supposed to smooth fine lines and wrinkles, minimize enlarged pores, soothes and calms, and it feels lovely to put on. I really like the texture. It soaks straight into your skin, so you know, you don't have to wait ages to layer other products after it. I really like it. It feels lovely on the skin. You only need 1 pump. I really enjoy it, and it's really affordable. Little stocking filler of a new MAC Fix Plus. Again, something I can't live without, but it isn't the most exciting to buy, so a perfect little stocking filler there. And then my mum got me a new cleanse off oil, the Tranquil one from MAC. I have just run out of my Clinique cleanse off oil, and this, I have been using this for a couple of days now, and it is definitely, I definitely prefer this one. I really think this just gets mascara off easier, and this one's got a lovely relaxing spa type smell to it. This is definitely my favourite, because I haven't used this for a while because I've had the Clinique one, but I definitely prefer this. I also got this huge set of bath stuff. So all along the bottom is bath and shower creams, so like shower gels, and along the top is bath salts, and they are all alcohol or like cocktail scents. So we've got the pina coladas, pink fizz, strawberry Bellini, and an espresso martini. Oh my god, absolute heaven. I haven't touched this yet because I actually got a few like bath bombs and stuff as well, so I've been using those. But if you know me, you know I'm like, I live in the bath. I spend half my time in there. So this is a real treat because now I can pretend I've got a cocktail while being in the bath. So you tell me, what am I missing? What am I missing? Nothing. And last but not least, this is the huge Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution that has only just arrived, even though I ordered it next day delivery on the 23rd. But, you know, it's here now, that's all that matters. So I decided to give this one a try instead of repurchasing my Pixi Glycolic, the Glow Tonic, just because this one is much, much bigger and much, much cheaper. So, and I've heard really, really good things. I think it's about £6 on Beauty Bay, and look at the size of this thing. I feel like it's gonna last me the rest of my life, but yeah. It's got this little nozzle, which you obviously screw on, so that's really interesting. But yeah, I'll let you know at some point in the future whether I think it's as good, if I think it's better, or if it's a complete waste of £6. We'll have to see. So there you are, guys. That is everything that I got in the sort of beauty category for Christmas. I hope you guys had such a great Christmas with your families and just some really lovely special time. I know that I did. I had an amazing Christmas with all of my family. So yeah, I hope you guys got everything you wish for. Please let me know what you guys got in the comments down below. I'd love to know. Otherwise, take care for now. I'll see you in a future video. Bye 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 bye.